Hi, welcome to a recipe for vegan energy balls in Botswana. Here you can see the main ingredients, which are 1 cup of peanuts, half a cup of oats, and 1 cup of dates. We make them as small as possible. If you have a kitchen machine or a blender, you can use it. In this case, I show them in a minimalistic way, so I don't use a blender. Even I use my hands to mix them and to knead them until they have a sticky texture. If you like, you can add some blend almond butter or some tahini. For example, here I use 3 tablespoons of tahini. Also, to make it more sticky, you can use a couple of spoons of water. So we mix all the ingredients very well together, that we have a very sticky to each other paste. Once we are done, we can start to roll small energy balls. From this quantity you get around 12 energy balls. You can store them in the fridge for a couple of days. Enjoy! Thank you for watching.